Hello friends, today's topic Tata Motors cars in sky, profit 219%. Tata Motors quarterly financials, total sales January-March 2023 1,05,932, January-March 2024 1,19,986 plus 13%. Net profit has gone up stupendously. January-March 2023, 5,496 and January-March 2024, 17,529 crores plus 219%. Tata Motors last 5-quarter financials. January-March 2023, total sales 1,05,932. Net profit 5,496 crores. April-June 2023, total sales 1,02,236 crores. Net profit 3,301 crores. July-September 2023, total sales 1,05,128. Net profit 3,832 crores. October-December 2023, total sales 1,10,537 crores. Net profit 7,145 crores. January-March 2024, total sales 1,19,986 crores. Net profit 17,529 crores. Now, as I said earlier, we require to have last 5 years financials to decide whether a share is good or bad, and here in front of you the last 5 years. March 2020 net profit minus 11,975 crores. March 2021 net profit minus 13,395 crores. March 2022 minus 11,309 crores. March 2023 turnaround 2690 crores is the net profit, and March 2024 net profit 31,807 crores. Good results for Tata Motors. It was above analyst expectations. Tata Motors has turned around its business in the last 2 to 3 years. It also expects overall good demand for its vehicles in the coming quarters. However, it expects the first half of the financial year, April-September, to be slightly dull. It has reported 2 full years of net profits after declaring losses for 4 years before that. It has gained market share from other companies in the last 2 years. Dividend of rupees 6 per share has been declared. The dividend will be paid to the eligible shareholders on or before June 28, 2024. The company said that the India business is now debt-free and it is on track to become net debt-free in the automotive in financial year 2024-25. Its subsidiary Jaguar Land Rover's revenues for 2023-24 at its highest ever full year revenue. Tata Motors proposed to invest rupees 40,000 crore in financial year 2024-25 for product development and advanced technologies. Out of the 43,000 crores, investment for Jaguar Land Rover will be 35,000 crores and rupees 8,000 crores for Tata Motors. Its share price has gone up by 103% the last 1 year compared to around 20% rise for the Nifty. So you can see how much investors are bullish the last 1 year. Results were announced yesterday, that is Friday evening after market hours. The shares will react to results on Monday. It could rally further. Now the mini fundamental analysis in front of you. 52 weeks high 1066, 52 weeks low 505, current price 1047. Returns for an investor: 1 year returns 103%, 5 year returns 42% per annum, 10 year returns 9% per annum. End of the video. Here is the question. Do you think Tata Motors shares to become larger than Maruti Suzuki in the future? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.